Hey all, good morning and welcome to your London analysis on the 16th of October. So just a recap of yesterday, didn't really see much there trades-wise. Nothing changed ahead of a New York session either. Pretty much the stuff that's going on is Brexit kind of related moves. And on top of that, as we've seen more positive Brexit news, the safe haven flows have been kind of flowing out of the usual safe haven currencies. So that's pretty much all that's been going on. If we have a look today as well, we can see that there's not really that much going on. We saw the New Zealand dollar move a little bit overnight from firmer than expected CPI, but that was soon given back. And I know somebody rightly points out in the room as well, I believe the Fonterra auctions weren't looking so good. So nothing particularly great there. On top of that, the reversal of those gains was aided as well by the Deputy Governor. He also said that there's a reasonable prospect for further rate cuts. So fundamentally, we're still bearish on that. So yeah, nothing particularly interesting. As I said, really what we're seeing at the moment is safe havens flowing back out in favour of the pound. The problem with that, guys, though, and the problem with trading any safe haven currency, and this is a good example, you know, if you see currencies going up on the safe haven side of things, chances are the second something else comes up, they're going to flow straight back out. So that's why I don't trade safe havens, and we're probably going to see that today. As we see positive pound news, we're going to see those havens flow back out of like the yen and the Swiss and kind of into the pound. But then, of course, with such an uncertain environment at the moment, the second we're going to get, you know, a snippet of news that suggests anything less positive, of course the flows go back out and then back into the safe havens. So not something I'm particularly looking at the moment. So something that might be in a subject of future teachings, maybe. You know, I mean, for those of you scalpers out there, I know a few of you are making money from these safe haven in and outflows, but at the moment it's just not looking that good, guys. So I would suggest taking another day off and really waiting to see what develops on the Brexit side of things. Now, in terms of news that we've got coming out today, we have got some CPI coming out for the UK. Again, we might see, you know, some movement from that, but it's soon going to be thwarted if Brexit stuff comes out. We've got Canadian CPI coming out as well, US retail sales, speech from Carney. So we have got some juicy news coming out today. So it'll be interesting to see, you know, what changes. But regardless of all of that, you know, the one release we got this morning, it's the CPI for the UK. And I'm not going to be trading that anyway because I'm waiting to see what happens with Brexit. So other than that, guys, we're just kind of sitting on our hands, really waiting for the right opportunity. So it's all about quality over quantity. Okay, so that's going to be it for me today. There won't be a New York analysis due to the fact, like I say, we've only got one release coming out this morning and it's on a currency that I won't be trading anyway. Cheers.